It's Aaron from ABR Creations. In our last tutorial, we learned how to make the slip knot and the chains. In this tutorial, we are going to be learning how to make the single crochet. For your convenience, I have posted a link in the description which will redirect you to the previous tutorial which I have created in case you have missed them. So, let's get started. Making 11 in total. So, we made one, yarn over, pull it through, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So now we have made our chain stitches. Okay, so now that you have created your 11 chains, we'll start by doing single crochet stitches. So how do you do a single crochet? You skip this first chain right here, go into the second chain from your hook, then go in there, yarn over and pull it through that loop. Okay, so now you should have 2 loops on your hook, then yarn over and pull them through the 2 loops. This is called a single crochet. So now we'll do 10 single crochets in total. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and here's our final one, 10. Okay, so now we have created 10 stitches all the way across. Now I have an assignment for you. Do 2 more rows of single crocheting. So now how do we continue? We turn our piece and we chain 1. Okay, then you work into this loop. You work into this stitch here. So yarn over, pull it through, and yarn over and pull it through the 2 loops. Okay, so continue working all across. I'll show you for this round, then you do 1 more round of single crocheting by yourself. That was 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so we have done 1 row. Now I want you to continue and do 1 more row of single crocheting. Okay,